And this is the prize area, which they don't have too much. It's more than I had the first time I came here because this is a new place. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Stuffed animals. Big prizes. But on all that. Toys. More toys. And candy. Alright. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. So after looking through the little prize area, the first thing we did was just kind of walk around and look at all the different machines that they had, because it's different from last time because I've only been here twice. Like I said, in the prize room, it is fairly new to Augusta. It's only been here maybe a year, if that, and I just wanted to show y'all a couple of pictures of the different areas. So yeah, and the next thing will be a bunch of videos just so you can see everything in action. I'll see y'all there. Playing Crossy Roads. I like to watch Plus Times Wins play this game. You probably can't hear me though. Hey! I had 41 as my score, but he's beating me, obviously. And high score is 73. That's good. Balls. Get him. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you got the bonus. Are they going to stand back up? There we go. Yeah. Kill it. Ah. How much did we get? That's not bad. Oh, it's so close. 24. I got the super bonus. Look at it. Alright, and to end off the night, me and Tim both decided to do a little bit of bowling. The Stars and Strikes actually has several things you can do, bumper cars, laser tag, etc., etc. but we decided to do bowling. And as you can see, I was winning in this match. I think we both won about the same amount. He says I won more, but I think he won more. But you can judge for yourself with these videos you're about to see.
Tim rubbing up his balls. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. No, you're fine. Come on, little chub chub.
I gave her a bumper. Now she's gonna win.
Yeah. Come on, Tiffany. Gotta get that strike. Oh, no. Oh, oh, oh. Almost. You almost got a strike.